Hi, this is Giannick, and I'm gonna show you how to make hotcake using the Morigano hotcake mix. So let's get started. First, you have to pour the egg yolk into the bowl. Then you have to pour 100 cc of milk. Then use a whisk to mix it thoroughly. Then you have to open the Morigano hotcake mix and then open it. Then you have to pour it into the mixture you just mixed. Then mix it thoroughly. Do not mix it in the circular motion. Now the batter is ready to cook. Get a wet towel ready and then heat the pan over medium. Ask an adult to oil the pan lightly. Use a napkin to spread it around. I need a wood chopstick to see if the oil is ready enough. Let's see. Not yet. The oil is ready. Now turn the stove to low heat. Now put the pan onto the wet towel. When the pan is cooled down, take the pan back to the stove. And then use a ladle to take 1/3 of the scoop to scoop 1/3 of the batter. Make sure to be 11 inches away to pour the batter. If it's not enough, add a little bit more to the batter. Now set the timer to 3 minutes. Now let's wait. When the bubble appears on the surface, flip it with a spatula. Now take the cover and then cook it for 2 more minutes. Now let's wait. After 2 minutes, turn off the stove. Now use a spatula to take it up and then serve on a plate. Now make the same thing for the other two. slice of butter. And don't forget to add some syrup. Enjoy! Yummy! If you enjoyed it, smash that big fat like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. Bye!